Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to design the collections page of our VB.NET project. So here login and registration is done. So now we are going to create the collections page. So right click on this your project name, click add, Windows form, and here you can either name it collections or category. I am naming it category.vb. Click on add. So you can see this page. Okay. So the back color, first we'll change it to white. So it's white. Okay. So here we have to add one heading over here. So let us say a label. Okay. And we'll change the text to collections, and the font, you can see it's over here. Click on this and Tahoma. Okay. The font size will be 36 and we'll make it bold. Okay, here. And now we are going to add the category over here, like our categories whatever we have. So first we'll take picture box for that. So here picture box, so this will be the category, and choose image. And so I have 4 things here. So first let me take chocolate. So this will be the category image. Open, and I'll click on OK. So here you have option size mode, keep it as stretch image, so it will fix in the container, and we'll just make it good. And now just take one button, just drag that and align it over here, and we'll change the back color for this. Keep that red, and the font make it bold. The 4 color, change it to white. The font size is too big, so just make it a little bit small, 22. And the text, this is chocolates, right? Chocolates. Okay, so similarly whatever categories you have, just design it. So here I have given 4 categories over here along with the buttons and the images. Okay, so here just change the name of all these buttons. So you can see the name, this is the text, and this is the name, chocolates button. Okay, similarly for flowers, you'll have flowers button. Here it is. So now when you click on this chocolates, so let me click here. So when I click the chocolates button, the chocolates page should open. So what we are going to do is first create a Windows form over here, right click, click on add Windows form, and we'll name it as chocolates.vb. Okay, add, and here is the form, and here you can just do the design. As back color, we'll keep it white, and I'll just complete the design and show you. Okay, so this is the design. This is nothing but just a panel, and this is a picture box. These are the labels, that is the product name and description. These are labels. I have just changed the background color. To get this strike, you will have an option here in the text font. You have here strike out true if you just make it false. I'll show it false, so you can see it became normal text. Just make it true and you'll get this. Okay, so this is the buy now button. So I'll just show you. So once you click the chocolates button, you have to view the chocolates page. So first we will hide the current form, me dot hide, and the chocolates dot show. So now let us save all the files and run the project and check if it's working correctly. So here login, the link is given in the description to make this login and register code. So login, logged in. Okay, oops, I haven't enabled that. So we'll go to the login page, login, and here login. So just enable that, save, and start the project once again. Logged in successfully, and you can see this is the collections page. Let me make it full screen. And here when you click on chocolates, you have to go to the chocolates page. So when you click on flowers, it has to go to flowers, and similarly these two. So we have made the chocolates right now. So let me click on chocolates. So you can see it is opened here, right? And now we will see when you click this buy now button, we have to go to the confirm order page where all these details will be shown in that page. Okay, so we are going to build that now. Stop debugging and let me make it maximized first. Maximized, save. Okay, so maximized, save it. So this is the chocolates page. So when I click on the button, buy now button, so you can see this button is named over here as dairy milk button, the product name. So when you click it, you can see this button is clicked. So when you click this button, it has to go to the next page, right? So we have to store the value in some place. So how we are going to do that is we are going to create a class over here. So right click here and say add new item, and here you can see class. Instead of class 1, you can name it. So I'm going to say gift shop details, or however you can keep. So let me keep gift details, that will be enough. Gift details. So say add. So here in this class we are going to create variables. Let's say public, shared, and your variable name. So that will be the product name. So let me say prod underscore name as string. Okay, save. And similarly, what are the things we want to send? That will be here. So product ID, product original price, and selling price. So just copy and paste this product original price and the product selling price. So let us give that yes price. Okay, and to store in the database, we will just create one more thing, that will be the product ID. Product ID. Okay, so here we have to import that class over here. So let us say imports the project name, so that is gift shop dot the file name. So the file name is giftdetails.vb. that is the class, right? Gift details. Now you can use those variables over here. So what was the variable first? Product ID. So product ID, you can see it is giving here. So I'll click tab equals, and I'm going to store the product ID. So let me say 001. Then product name is equal to, you can take it in two ways. So either you have this, right? So just the name of this choco name. So you can give choco name dot text, so it will fetch this thing. but it is going to be static all the time, so it is equal as giving it statically itself. So we will directly write the product name. So that was dairy milk. Just close all this unnecessary files over here. Dairy milk silk, right? So we'll just add that dairy milk silk, and the selling price and original price. I will show you the other way also. Product original price is equal to, and that label name of that, so original price. So you can see the name is original price. Copy that and paste it here, original price dot text. So this will fetch you the price which is over here. So this is not going to change every time, it is static, so you can directly write it over here as 399. So say 399, and this will be the product S price, that is selling price, and the selling price is 299. So we'll click 299. So now when you click on this buy now button, these values are getting stored in the class. So now when we go to the confirm order page, there we have to fetch these details and show. So first let us create the file, add Windows form, and this will be the confirm order, confirm order, add this page, just change the back color. So this is the confirm order page. This is just a label, and here is an image, this is a panel, and all these are labels and buy now button. Okay, so those values you have to fetch it and display over here. So for that, first we have to add labels over here. So view toolbox, and we'll search for label. Okay, got it. Just unpin this thing, drag this and drop it over here, and what size we want it to appear, we can just set it to this thing. So what I'm going to do is, instead of label 6, I'm just going to write product name, and the size 14, 16 let us keep, and the font style will be Tahoma. Keep it over here, copy and paste it. So for this we have to give the name also, right? So instead of label 6, name it to prod name. Okay, and this will be the original price. So the name, let us write original price. So we will be using this thing in the load page time. So this label dot text, and it will change. So here whatever text is given, that is of no use. So this is just for designing purpose we are writing here, original price. Okay, and this we need in red color, so we'll change the 4 color to red. Red, and we'll increase the size 22, it's too big, so let us keep 18. Okay, and bold, so this has to be striked over here, strike out true. Similarly, copy and paste the same thing for the selling price. Change the text. Anyways, this is not going to be visible in the runtime. So selling price, it says not going to be striked, and the text color is going to be green. And the name, we're going to say selling price. Okay, so double click on this form, and you can see here when this form is on the load. So when we are opening this form, just copy that name of this tag over here, this label. So the name is prod name, copy that, or we'll just change the name because the same thing we have given in the class also. I'll just show you. So gift details, we have given prod name, so it's confusing. So I'll change over here. Name, I'll give it full over here. Product name. Let me add confirm, so it will be more clear. Confirm product name, and inside this load function, just give confirm product name dot text is equal to, and that whatever we have stored in the class, we are going to display it over here. So for that, first we have to import the class. Imports GiftShop dot gift details. Okay, so here now you can call your variable name. So that was prod name. Save. And similarly the selling price and original price. So the name is original price. Copy and paste it over here. Original price dot text equal to prod original price. Selling price dot text, so this is the label name over there, and this is the class variable name, product s price. Okay, so we have assigned it to that text. Okay, let us check with the chocolates. Here we have assigned all the values. Now we have to do is me dot hide, and the confirm order page, confirm order dot show. Now let us run the project and check it. So I'll just comment this login part, so we don't have to log in every time. So in the welcome page, when I click login button, instead of showing the login page, directly take me to the category page, category dot show. Save. And now let us run the project. So here when I click login, this is the category, so chocolates, and for the dairy milk only we have made. So click buy now. So you can see dairy milk silk 399, 299 is over here. When we had designed the page, we had written here project name, product name, original price and selling price. So you can see it has changed. Whatever product we have clicked over there, that thing will come over here. So when you click buy now here, it has to go to the billing page. So let me stop debugging. And this thing, it is the same for everything. This chocolates, when you click on this Ferrero Rocher button, so I have given Ferrero button here, so just copy and paste it here. Just change the ID name and the product name. Okay, I'll remove it to avoid confusions. So we'll be doing for every single product, but now only one product. We'll just do and finish this. So from the confirm order, when we click buy now, it has to go to the billing page. So in this video, that's it guys. So in next video, we'll create the billing page and we will complete the order. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again.